Hey, welcome to another What's in the Box. I got this in the mail. This little portable heater. Let's check it out. This thing plugs directly into a plug socket, but if you wanted to make it cordless, you could get a little extension cord and plug it in so you can move it around and adjust things. But we'll get into it. AC socket, safety protection, and multiple, lots of different things. It's a side, their website with their information, where you can get this little tiny portable heater. Good if you live in cold areas. It's great for like a quick heat up. Here's the back. I'll link this company down below in the description of the video on where to find where you can order this. Let's open it up. First, straight out of the box, you see directions. And let's get the actual heater out. See, this is the packing. See, it's a little 3-prong plug. You can directly, plug it into your outlet just like that on a wall. If you have any high outlets or low outlets, or like I said, you could just hit an extension cord in the back and make a cord for it. The different settings, it's got a light, it's got an on button, the level, like to turn it up, down, low, high. Very cool. This thing pops off. This is the protection. So it's got like, a 3-prong. And if you have like a low outlet, you can just plug it right into the wall. Bam. And you got yourself a little portable heater. You can put it by your office space, in your kitchen, anywhere that has a wall outlet, or even on the floor. If you want something low on the floor, this will work for you. Let's plug it in and check it out. For example, here's my kitchen. I had to move some stuff out. I have a low outlet in the kitchen. So let's plug it in. So it goes just like that. So you can understand how to do it. Here's the controls on the side here. Let's crank it on. And there's the lower button. Setting 1. It's pretty warm on that one. There's high 1. There's a light. That's pretty darn warm. Ooh. Wow, that's pumping out some good heat. I mean, this is awesome. You could take it camping with you. You could plug it into your little electric generator that you have, stick it in your tent. It's got the on and off right there. It's a heater, and you can get light as well, which is nice. There's a high 2. Like there's tons of different settings. I'm getting hot, like just standing here, super duper hot. You can turn up the brightness if you hold it in. Hold the light function. There's it off, and there's it on, and you can turn it super bright. This thing is pumping out. I mean, you're gonna sweat if you're standing in front of here. So if you're cold, this will do the trick. I'll link all their information down below to this company. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my YouTube video. All right, peace. And don't forget to pick up yourself one of these awesome heaters.